In 2019, about 1 in 5 Indians aged 45 and above were living with diabetes. 2 in every 5 of them may not have known they had the condition. These findings come from a large study on India's aging population published in the Lancet Global Health. The research warns that as the country's population grows older, the total number of diabetes cases among middle-aged and older adults will keep rising, even if the rate within age groups stops increasing. The study was carried out by researchers from the International Institute for Population Sciences in Mumbai and the United States. It shows that 46% of those aware of their diabetes were able to bring their blood sugar under control in the same year. Around 60% managed to control their blood pressure, and only 6% were taking medicines to lower lipids, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. The data comes from the Longitudinal Aging Study in India, which surveyed about 60,000 people aged 45 and above between 2017 and 2019. The results show similar diabetes prevalence among men and women at nearly 20%. Urban areas had twice the prevalence compared to rural areas. In some of the country's more economically developed states, about a third or more of the population in this age group had diabetes. The researchers found wide differences in prevalence between states. They also noted that diabetes is more common among people in higher socioeconomic groups. This reflects India's stage in the nutrition transition, where lifestyle and diet changes linked to economic growth contribute to higher rates of lifestyle diseases. When compared to earlier national surveys like the ICMR India B study conducted between 2008 and 2020, the new findings suggest a slightly better achievement of blood sugar and blood pressure targets. However, fewer people are reaching targets for lipid-lowering medication. The results underline the importance of focusing on prevention, diagnosis, and treatment as the population ages. The researchers stress that even if the proportion of people with diabetes in each age group remains stable, the total number of older adults with the condition will grow in the years ahead. This could place increasing pressure on the health system and make early detection and management even more critical.